The world of robotics is changing faster than ever before. Humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction characters from movies. Today, real robots can walk, talk, understand humans, and even perform tasks independently. Companies around the world are competing to create the smartest and most advanced humanoid robot ever made. In this video, we will compare 3 of the most famous robots in the world: Tesla Optimus Gen 3, Ameca, and Sophia. Each robot has unique technology, intelligence, and abilities that make it special. But the biggest question remains: which robot truly represents the future of humanity and artificial intelligence? Number 1. Tesla Optimus Gen 3. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is one of the most talked about humanoid robots in the world today. Created by Elon Musk and developed by Tesla, this robot is designed to completely change the future of work and everyday life. Unlike traditional robots that only work inside factories, Optimus Gen 3 is built to live and work alongside humans. The design of Optimus Gen 3 looks futuristic and realistic at the same time. Tesla engineers focused on making the robot lightweight, fast, and highly efficient. The robot stands tall like a human and uses advanced AI systems to understand its environment. It can walk smoothly, balance itself, carry objects, and even perform detailed hand movements. One of the biggest advantages of Optimus Gen 3 is its artificial intelligence system. Tesla uses the same AI technology that powers its self-driving cars. This means the robot can analyze surroundings in real time using cameras and sensors. Instead of depending on pre-programmed commands only, the robot can learn from experience and improve over time. Another important feature is mobility. Many humanoid robots move slowly and awkwardly, but Optimus Gen 3 is designed for practical movement. Tesla wants this robot to work inside factories, homes, offices, and warehouses. The robot can bend, pick up objects, walk upstairs, and perform repetitive tasks without becoming tired. Tesla also focused heavily on hand technology. Human hands are extremely difficult to copy because they require precise movement and coordination. Optimus Gen 3 uses advanced finger systems that allow it to hold delicate objects carefully. This means the robot could eventually cook food, clean houses, or assist elderly people. The battery system inside Optimus Gen 3 is another major improvement. Tesla's experience with electric vehicle batteries gives the robot long operational time. Efficient battery management allows the robot to work for many hours without constant charging. Elon Musk believes robots like Optimus could become more valuable than Tesla's cars in the future. According to him, millions of humanoid robots may eventually work around the world. These robots could reduce dangerous labor, increase productivity, and transform industries forever. Another fascinating thing about Optimus Gen 3 is its potential role in households. Imagine waking up in the morning while your robot assistant prepares breakfast, cleans the room, and organizes your daily schedule. Tesla wants to create exactly this type of future. The robot's communication system is also highly advanced. Optimus can recognize speech commands and respond naturally. In the future, Tesla may improve conversational AI so the robot can interact more like a real human assistant. Safety is another major focus. Tesla engineers know that humanoid robots working near humans must be extremely safe. Optimus Gen 3 includes balance systems, obstacle detection, and emergency stop mechanisms designed to prevent accidents. Factories may become the first major workplace for these robots. Tesla already uses automation heavily in production lines, and Optimus could eventually replace repetitive manual labor. Tasks like carrying heavy equipment, sorting objects, and assembling products may become easier with humanoid robots. Many experts believe Optimus Gen 3 represents the beginning of a robotic revolution. Instead of robots being limited to industrial arms attached to factory floors, humanoid robots could become everyday companions and workers. However, some challenges still exist. The robot is still under development, and many abilities shown in demonstrations are not yet perfect. Real-world environments are unpredictable, and creating a robot that fully matches human flexibility remains difficult. Despite these challenges, Tesla continues improving Optimus rapidly. Every new generation becomes smarter, faster, and more efficient. Gen 3 already shows huge improvements compared to earlier versions. The future possibilities are enormous. Hospitals could use humanoid robots to help nurses. Warehouses could operate 24 hours a day with robotic workers. Homes may eventually include personal assistants capable of performing chores. Tesla's massive AI research gives Optimus a huge advantage over many competitors. Since Tesla already collects real-world driving data from millions of cars, its AI systems continuously improve. This experience helps the company train robotic intelligence faster. Another interesting factor is pricing. Elon Musk hopes future humanoid robots will become affordable for ordinary people. If mass production succeeds, robots could eventually become as common as smartphones or computers. Public reaction to Optimus Gen 3 has been massive. Some people are excited about the possibilities, while others fear automation replacing jobs. The debate over AI and robotics continues growing every year. Still, one thing is certain. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is one of the most ambitious robotics projects ever created. Whether it becomes a household assistant or an industrial worker, it represents a major step toward the future of intelligent machines. Number 2. Ameca Robot. Engineered Arts created one of the most realistic humanoid robots ever seen, Ameca. Unlike Tesla Optimus Gen 3, which focuses heavily on physical labor and automation, Ameca focuses mainly on human interaction and communication. Ameca became famous worldwide because of its incredibly realistic facial expressions. When people first saw videos of Ameca online, many were shocked by how human-like the robot looked. Its eyes move naturally, its mouth responds realistically, and its facial muscles create emotional expressions almost like a real person. The robot's face is one of its greatest achievements. Human expressions are extremely complicated because tiny muscle movements create emotions. Engineered Arts designed Ameca to mimic these subtle movements using advanced motors and artificial skin systems. Ameca can smile, look surprised, raise its eyebrows, and even appear confused. These small details make interactions with humans feel far more natural compared to traditional robots. One of Ameca's strongest abilities is conversation. The robot uses advanced language AI systems to communicate with people in real time. It can answer questions, react emotionally, and maintain interactive discussions. Unlike many robots designed mainly for physical tasks, Ameca acts more like a social robot. It is often used at exhibitions, technology events, museums, and demonstrations to showcase the future of human-robot interaction. Another impressive feature is Ameca's head and eye tracking technology. When talking to someone, the robot follows their movement naturally with its eyes and head. This creates a realistic feeling of attention and awareness. The robot also demonstrates advanced speech synchronization. When Ameca talks, its facial movements match spoken words realistically. This small detail greatly improves the illusion of human-like interaction. Number 3. Sophia Robot. One of the most famous humanoid robots ever created is Sophia. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia became globally recognized after appearing in interviews, television shows, and technology conferences. Sophia was designed to interact socially with humans. Unlike industrial robots that perform physical tasks, Sophia focuses mainly on communication, facial expressions, and AI conversation. Sophia's appearance was designed to resemble a human female face. The robot uses artificial skin material and facial motors to create expressions during conversation. Its creators wanted Sophia to represent the future of AI companionship and communication. Another interesting aspect is Sophia's role in AI ethics discussions. Since the robot became famous worldwide, many interviews focused on concerns about artificial intelligence and automation. Sophia often discusses ideas about cooperation between humans and machines. This futuristic vision attracts both excitement and concern from audiences worldwide. The robot has traveled globally to technology conferences, universities, and media events. Everywhere Sophia appears, crowds gather to see one of the world's most famous humanoid robots. Unlike Optimus Gen 3, Sophia is not designed primarily for industrial labor. And unlike Ameca, Sophia became famous mainly through media presence and AI discussions, rather than emotional realism alone. Sophia's voice system allows it to communicate clearly with audiences. The robot can answer basic questions, hold discussions, and interact with interviewers. Many people see Sophia as a cultural icon of robotics. Even individuals who know little about AI often recognize Sophia because of its massive media exposure. Sophia also inspired discussion, as about the future of consciousness and machine intelligence. Although current AI systems are far from true human consciousness, robots like Sophia make these questions feel more real. The robot's design combines science, engineering, and art. Hanson Robotics focused heavily on making Sophia visually expressive and socially engaging. Another fascinating thing is public emotional reaction. Some people feel inspired and excited by Sophia, while others feel nervous about increasingly human-like machines. Sophia's popularity also helped robotics companies gain more public attention and investment. As interest in AI grows, companies continue developing more advanced humanoid systems. Despite its fame, Sophia still has technological limitations. Conversations are not always perfect, and the robot cannot fully understand complex human emotions the way real humans do. However, Sophia remains one of the most important robots in modern history because it changed how the public views artificial intelligence. Sophia's future may include more advanced AI systems, improved mobility, and deeper emotional interaction capabilities. Many experts believe robots inspired by Sophia may eventually assist in therapy, teaching, and social care roles. The world of robotics continues evolving rapidly, and Sophia remains an important symbol of humanity's journey toward intelligent machines. Humanoid robots are becoming more advanced every year, and the competition between Tesla Optimus Gen 3, Ameca, and Sophia shows how quickly artificial intelligence is evolving. Optimus Gen 3 focuses on physical work and automation. Ameca specializes in realistic human interaction, and Sophia represents social communication and AI awareness. Each robot has different strengths, but all of them are pushing humanity toward a future where humans and machines work together. The biggest question is no longer whether humanoid robots will become part of daily life. It is how soon that future will arrive. The age of intelligent robots has already begun.